How to join and leave Discord voice chat. Firstly, go to your web browser and type in discord.com. If you haven't already, then log in or sign up to your account. Select your server from the very left panel. Under the section Voice Channel, click on the voice channel that you have created. Once you click on the voice channel that you have created, then the voice will get activated. Make sure to allow the permission for microphone. As you can see here, firstly it says disconnected, but have patience and after some time it will get enabled. As you can see here, it says voice connected. And now you can speak to your group members in voice. If you want to talk in video, then there is a video icon which you can click to enable video call. If you want to share your screen, then you can click on screen share icon. Finally, to end the call or voice chat, simply click on the disconnect option. Once you do that, then the voice chat will get disconnected. That's all for today. Thank you.